Hey guys, Charles here from Audrey Car Rental, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the four-wheel drive on any manual car. Now for today's demonstration we are using the Toyota Land Cruiser Hardtop. This is one of the most reliable vehicles made by Toyota for off-road, and it can go through any type of bad road. So this is a 5-speed car, and of course, as you can see, we have our four-wheel drive gear right here. So usually it is advisable that you turn on the four-wheel drive before entering the bad area. You wouldn't want to go and then you get stuck, then now you try turning it on. That may not be very helpful. Now if your car has a four-wheel drive gear like this is what you do. First thing, of course, like you can see, we are having H2, H4, N, and then L4. H2 basically that is two-wheel drive, H4 that is four-wheel drive, N is neutral, L4 that is low 4, I would say. Now with H2, of course I've said that is two-wheel drive. Then H4, four-wheel drive is important because it helps you maneuver through the bad roads, like maybe let's say the road with a lot of let's say it has rain and then the water is there, or maybe like basically a bad road where the car gets stuck. And then the L4 is good usually in a hilly place when you're like climbing a very big hill, or maybe in the desert areas. So that is it basically. Now to turn on the four-wheel drive, first thing you'll have to do, like on a Toyota Land Cruiser Hardtop like this, the first thing you'll have to do is you'll need to lock the car, lock your tire, lock your wheel or your tire, and usually it is the front. On a Land Cruiser like this, it's the front wheel. Now the lock is somewhere right here. You can see it's written free and then it's written lock. So you turn it clockwise or anti-clockwise. So for freeing it, you just turn it this side, and for locking you just turn it like this, and that is how you lock. So but this is just a demonstration, so currently it's like that. Then what you do after locking, of course you need to do both sides, and then you go back inside your vehicle, and then you come here. Currently, like I've said, the vehicle is on two-wheel, so you just pull it down straight like this, and then you can even see on the dashboard the four-wheel drive sign has shown just right there, that green sign you're seeing. So another thing, of course, is make sure that your vehicle, your gear is on free, it's on neutral before turning that. And also don't press on the clutch as you're doing. Make sure your leg is not on the clutch. So that is it basically. But of course, this is just a demonstration. I'm just going to take it back to two-wheel. So that is it. My name is Charles Layo from Audrey Car Rental, and we are a car hire company based in the northern part of Uganda. If you need car to move you around Uganda, you want self-drive, you want us to pick you from the airport, we'll be more than happy to do that. Feel free to reach out to us, and thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like this video, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section.